in Denmark, Sparinvest was the company more or less introducing value investing to the Danish investment community.
What is actually the history of value investing?
First point is understand value before you buy it, but only purchase that value when you can get a significant discount from what you reasonably, on a conservative basis, with facts that you can justify, purchase that value. So purchase undervalued stocks, wait for the market to realize that value.
It's very much looking into the strength of balance sheets. We don't like debt in companies. We like a 40% discount in the investments that we do according to the intrinsic value. It's very important that we stress the strong balance sheets, because it's very important that these companies, they will stay master in their own house, so to speak, meaning that some of these companies, they would have to maybe withstand some bad news in the short term. So it's very important that they're not heavily leveraged and so on, and that's also a theme right now in the market. I think it's going to be the next phase in this market. You can say we saw the upturns in the markets. In my words, it's been more a relief rally. I'm quite sure the next phase is actually a phase where the companies with the strong balance sheets and the proven track record of earnings will be in a very fruitful situation.
Big thing, if you want to think like Benjamin Graham, number one criteria is think differently. Number two is it takes exceptional patience.
Is there a good point in time to invest in value?
When you look forward, out of every period where historically the 10-year equity returns in the U.S. have been negative, over the next 10 years they've been above average. And when you look at the multiples of large cap stocks, they're among, we believe, the most attractive in the world. And many U.S. companies are benefiting in the mega cap space from growth outside the U.S.
That the next phase is actually going to be the sorting game, where the companies with the strong balance sheet, the proven track record earnings, can either consolidate or doing acquisitions. So a lot of these stocks will actually be a prayers in an M&A transaction. So we are quite optimistic about the outlooks for value investors in the coming 3 to 5 years. It's buying time now. It's a window of opportunity to start investing in value equities. Looking at our portfolio, it's the cheapest I've seen since '97. I've done this.
His primary mission is protection. And one does that by studying what a business is worth and then trying one's darndest to get good value, a low price with respect to that value, into the portfolio, and then manage that relationship.
If you buy a stock at 5, believing it's worth 10, if you have done your work and you believe the value is 10, if it goes to 2, you can buy more and make 5 times your money instead of doubling.